Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to change Facebook page username. Follow these step-by-step guide to change your Facebook page username. Changing your page username on computer is pretty simple process. First of all, open Facebook and switch to the Facebook page. Now click on your page profile and click on settings and privacy. Click on settings. And here you will find username. Just click on edit. And in this box, write here your new username for your page. Here you will see the preview. If your name available, just click on save changes. Now you have to verify your Facebook account. So write here your account password and click on submit. Once done, here you will see your Facebook page username has been changed. And you can also change your Facebook page name from here. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.